Welcome to CASHAPP Fixes. This is Mohamed. Please subscribe, share and like. We are back now for the catalytic conveyor codes. We say that we don't need to change the catalytic conveyor right now, but we try to see if we can use this cat blue. It's not expensive, like less than $20 cleaner and deodorant for the catalytic conveyor. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna open it slowly, and then we're gonna pour this into the gas tank. Okay. Kan after the gas tank. Then you fill out the gas tank. See, after you pour it, okay, you fill out the gas tank and drive your car till you finish that gas. I see that 75% or a lot of people, they never complain about it anymore. The code never come back again. The catalytic conveyor work, because sometimes they just got clapped and dusted and it cannot work well. After that, yeah, if it doesn't work, you can use it for the next time. You can fill the gas 2 times, but I know that people use it 1 time and they are good. Let me close it. Okay. Now you're gonna go there, clear the codes. Clear the codes. I did clear all the codes, you see here. And no codes now. And you start your car. Drive till the gas and fill out the gas tank. Be sure that the gas tank is full. Now it's full, it's almost, but fill it out. And then you drive. After your gas tank is finished, I don't believe it's gonna, even if the check engine light come back again, try to clear it and then continue, just clear it and delete the codes and then keep continuing it. After that, if it doesn't want to go away, then maybe you have to change the catalytic conveyor. Thank you.